Hello beautiful people, how are you? You guys, happy Friday. I hope you are having an amazing day. I hope you had an amazing day. Again, I come to you shiny. Why? Because I need to blot. If this is your first time here, this is normal, you guys. It is Friday. I am getting ready to go out. Or is it Saturday? It's Saturday. I'm getting ready to go out and I'm going very local, very casual, but my face was so oily I needed to blot a little bit, and I am wearing not a new fragrance, but I don't think I've ever spoke about this fragrance on the channel before because it's kind of new in my collection. I haven't had it, you guys just excuse me, okay? I haven't had it in my collection very long, but I've had it enough to wear it a few times and know that I like it. Normally I don't go for this brand. I just never really liked their fragrances before, but everything is like normally too sweet or too fruity or too florally, and it's not my vibe. But this particular one I really did like, and I heard a lot about it, so I wanted to try it. Well, you guys, I thought it was gonna be like warmer out, right? So I had this whole different outfit on, and then I changed it because we came home really quick to change. Like I said, I'm only supposed to be up here to just be grabbing my bag, freshening up, and then heading back out the door. Of course the cameras are on, okay, and of course the lights are on. Press record, and I started talking to you guys because I wanted to freshen up, but at the same time I wanted to, you know, talk to you. Here's the bag I'm carrying. Very simplistic, just carrying my Eva clutch. I love this bag. It is so easy breezy. Back to the fragrance, you guys. This is a fragrance that I'm rocking tonight. It is Marc Jacobs Decadence, and this is really good. I don't know really still how I feel about the bottle. You know, if you know anything about me, I absolutely love a chain bag, like on my handbags. This detail right here is absolutely everything. I really, really love that. I don't know how I feel about it on a fragrance. It looks nice on my vanity. I mean, it doesn't disturb the piece, but the fragrance itself, you guys, I normally shy away from all Marc Jacobs fragrances just because they're sometimes just so floral and so sweet and so just not me. But I found this one, okay? So check out your local, where did I get this at? Nordstrom's Rack. I found this at Nordstrom's Rack at a steal. I think I found it for no more than what? It was under like $45. It was under $40. I had read some of the notes and I go, yeah, I think I'll like that. And then I went over and smelt it at Ulta or Sephora. Then I said, yep, I'm gonna go back and get it. I was lucky and I was able to get it, and it is really good. So I wore it once or twice. The thing I will say about this, please do not overspray. Do not overspray. I thought it was gonna be warmer, so I was gonna wear something else, but the weather totally dropped here in LA. So it's back to being cool. So I said, okay, I'll wear this. And my guy's like, what are you gonna wear tonight? And I'm like, I'm not telling you, I just wanna know what you think about it. So we'll hear what he has to say about it. He's like totally into every fragrance I wear now. It's the funniest thing. He's like, what are you wearing tonight? What are you gonna wear tonight? And I'm like, oh my gosh, like seriously? So we'll see what he says about this one, but I really like it. I'll give you some of the notes. I have them right here in front of me. It has plum, saffron, iris. I believe it has some Bulgarian rose, jasmine, vetiver. It's more of a warm, woody, powdery, ambery, but yet still green type of fragrance. I find it to be very sophisticated. I find it to be very classy. I find it to be very elegant. I find it to be very sexy, very intoxicating, and it's that type of night. So that's the vibe that I'm going for, and this fragrance, hopefully it will deliver. It's delivered already because that's why I chose it, but I'm not gonna spray heavy tonight, you guys. I'm not gonna spray heavy. I'm just gonna, oh my gosh, the green and the plum, oh, it's so good. It's so sexy. I love a sexy fragrance. We all know this. Anything dark and heavy and exciting and romantic and just, oh, all that yummy vibe I love. And this is definitely giving it to me. So if you have tried Decadent, it's not new, you guys. It has been around for some time. I'm just getting a hold of it. I just picked it up, I would say, within this year, probably January. And I had just been playing with it, but I don't think I've showed it to you guys on the channel. So I wanted to bring it to the channel and just show it to you really quickly. I do love this. I don't have a lot of Marc Jacobs. Like I said, I may have a rollerball or two. There was another one that he had out that I spoke about on the channel a couple of weeks ago. That was a fresh one that would be really good for spring. I am contemplating that because that's another one that piqued my interest because it was really different, and I really did like it. It wasn't too sweet, it wasn't too floral, it was just right and very appropriate, and you know, for a spring type of fragrance. Now, you know, I tell you guys all the time that you wear fragrance whenever you want. It's just a suggestion, or even when they tell you it's a winter fragrance or a spring fragrance or a summer fragrance, those are all recommendations. If you happen to wake up one day and say it's 80 degrees outside and I want to rock this, then rock it. Do what makes you happy. I always stress life is short. Spray what makes you happy. It's a beautiful fragrance. What more is there to say about it? It is plum. You can smell the plum when it dries down. It dries down very sweet, very nice, and it sits close to the skin. It hugs the body tight, hugs the body close. It's just a romantic, sexy, decadent type fragrance. Just what it says is what it delivers. The bottle's beautiful. It's got the chain. It's got the python going on. Well, supposedly. The colors are beautiful. It's not much to it. It looks okay. Some people have said it's very tacky. To each their own. It's okay. You know, I wouldn't write home about it, but I do love a good chain. I mean, if it was a bag, it'd be another story. So tonight, this is what I'm spraying. That's the bag I'm carrying. I think I'm not as greasy as I was. I think I'm a little bit better. And this is it. I am still rocking the braid. I absolutely love it. It's something different. My hair, you know, I don't do much to it. I leave it the same way all the time. So that is it. I just wanted to pop in really quick. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. I hope you had a great week. Hopefully you got everything done on your agenda this week. Hopefully you prioritize. I have been doing really good. I haven't been procrastinating as much as I normally do. So I'm really excited about that. And what else is new? I think that's it. I just wanted to pop in and show this fragrance to you. Tell me if you guys like it. Oh, and this is very, did you say very? I say very long lasting. It's just a very long lasting sweet. It's sweet, it's woody, powdery. It's just a romantic scent. It's perfect for tonight. Tonight we're gonna go out. It's gonna be laid back, low key. We're gonna probably sit in a booth. I don't really like booths. Are you a booth or a table type person? Like, what are you when you go out? Are you a booth, table, or high top? Because there's a high top tables that they oftentimes offer to sit us at. What are you? I really like a table because I like a chair for my bag. A booth is good, but I used to really love booths. I don't love them anymore. I prefer a table. I even prefer a high top table these days. I don't know. I like being where the noise is, you know, where it's happening, where the energy is. I don't like to. Some days I have my days where I want to be secluded and in the back, but my favorite of all times is a rooftop, of course, but it's too cold for that, so that's not happening. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you prefer a booth, a table, or a high top? What's your preference when you go out? I always need something to sit my handbag in because I don't do handbags on the floor. This is my fragrance for the night. That's my handbag of choice. I'm wearing my Metza scarf from Dior. Trying to give myself a little bit of a, I don't know, you guys. This is just doing it. Because it was cold. Of course, I think I'm going to put on my cape coat again. I don't know. I'm probably going to put it on again. But you know what? I'm not going to wear heels tonight. I'm probably going to wear some cute low booties. But it won't be a heel. It'll be something that I could walk in. It's just a low-key kind of night. I think that's it. I hope you guys have had a great day. And I will see you in the next video. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.